I will be continuing the teardown of the Canon camera. So first, unlike I said previously, this comes in two parts. You have this back buttons frame here. It's just a matter of removing the screws. Then you can pop up this connector and you can remove this upper power distribution board after you unsolder the two things in here. So this board, it is interesting because it is a mix of a flex and rigid PCB. You can see the flex part here, which is very tough, very strong, and there are quite big tracks in it. So interesting. Then this must be the battery contacts coming to it. Then, unlike I said previously also, it is not necessary to unsolder the flash wires because it seems this assembly will come right off. Yes, there is a connector here. So this is a flash assembly with a bad evil capacitor here from Nikon. Then I think now we can pop these covers here. For this purpose you have to slide the metal parts in them and they will come right off like this. There is one. Second one here. It will not be very easy to remove this one because I will try to grab it with a cutter here and slide this like this. Yes, it is working. And here we are. Okay. Then I think now it is time to remove the motherboard. There is one big flex connector here with lots of test pads, it seems. One over here. And a few screws. Tiny. There is one plug down here also for the speaker. So as you can see, we have a main metallic structure inside the camera, which makes all the structural rigidity. So here we are. So on this PCB we have here the famous Dialog-2 processor. We have here the gyro sensors for the image stabilizer. This is a weird thing, I don't know what it is. Really weird. Then lots of chips from Sanyo, Sony. This must be memory. Here lance control chips for the motors probably with its sinks. SD card reader. Then now we are left with the speaker. So you can see the main metal frame. We have 2 screws for the speaker. We have a few screws here for the battery compartment. Most of these digital cameras are made approximately the same way. You have an internal structure in either in metal sheet or plastic, depending on the camera price, and all the parts come over it. So here is the battery compartment. This is the memory backup battery with its little connector. We are now left with so there is one screw here, but it is just for folding the metal in place, so not necessary to remove this one. Here it is the autofocus light assist. I think there we are. So we have the lens assembly, CCD here, ultrasonic motor here. There must be another motor for the zoom, as I believe the ultrasonic motor is for focus. So this will be another video. And here you are with the main metal bracket, metal frame. So it is not very very strong. After I take it apart. Okay, so here we are for this camera in parts. Now I know exactly the process to take it apart, and it will help me if I want to try to repair another one. I suspect I have loose flex connectors in the other cameras. I think like this. I have a good this lens assembly seems good, so maybe I can reuse it in another camera. No, it is not good because this connector here, this little socket here is broken. It does not keep the flex in place correctly, as you can see. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.